Hi everybody, it's KK Harrison. I am so excited that you've chosen to look and purchase the Escape the Corporate Plantation, your blueprint to financial freedom ebook. Inside, what you're gonna find is the why we're choosing the niches we're choosing. You're gonna be able to use a tool called Claude AI that is, I personally feel, is really slept on. And for me, it works better than ChatGPT, especially if you're new to using AI to write ebooks. What else you're going to find is you're going to find the prompts that you can go ahead and plug and play and create that, identify your niche, get your product together, outline your ebook, then actually build it out. And there's some other bonuses in there that I want you to go ahead and get excited about. You know, I built this because I see the need. We've got to look at ourselves and say, what's in me? What is in me that I could sell to other people? And this ebook strategy really is one of the ways that you can change the trajectory of your life. I honestly mean that. I've written multiple ebooks before. One of my ebooks actually went #1 on Amazon, and that's something I'm quite proud of, in 3 categories. So not only are you going to be able to sell this on your stands or your Beacons account, you're also going to be able to take this and put it on platforms like, you know, Amazon and Barnes and Nobles, etc., etc. But my sweet spot, I have found, is actually building it on my own, in my own store. There's no middleman, just me. And I get to have the money, and I want you to be able to do the same thing, okay? Everybody's journey is different, but as long as you're on the journey, you can change your life. That is me. I just left the corporate plantation myself. I'm so excited to be in here doing this thing. Catch me on YouTube. Catch me on TikTok, where I'll be doing lives and actually building out products. So if you get me over there, that's going to be a great stop. Wherever you found me, you're going to find me all the time. I'm going all in on this thing, y'all. And I want you to go all in on this, and let us all go ahead and be able to leave that 9 to 5 that's sucking the life out of you. I know that feeling where you got people dogging you out, backstabbing you, treating you like crap, and then expecting you to feel good about their little paycheck. No, no, no. Time is of the essence. It's now, it's not in 5 years. You know, this space will be oversaturated in about 5 years. You've got time, but don't sleep on it. Go ahead, click that, invest in yourself, and I'll see you in that ebook where we'll talk it through and you'll get it done. All the best. Thank you so much.